Ever feel like your business expense management system is nickel and diming you? You're not alone. Many popular platforms, like Expensify, have introduced a concept called unbundled fees. But what exactly is this, and should you be worried? Let's break it down. Imagine Expensify as a delicious sandwich. The bread? That's the core platform features, submitting reports, tracking expenses, the good stuff. But some things, like the juicy meat, smart card integration, or the melty cheese, automated approvals, might come at an extra cost. These extras are the unbundled fees. Why the unbundling? Expensify argues it allows them to offer a base plan at a lower cost, appealing to smaller businesses or those who don't need all the bells and whistles. It also incentivizes users towards features that benefit Expensify, like their corporate card program. The cost of unbundling. Now, for the not-so-appetizing part. Unbundled fees for Expensify can range from $5 to a whopping $18 per user per month, depending on your chosen plan and features. Here's the kicker: if less than 50% of your company's spending goes through the Expensify card, you get hit with the full unbundled fee. The sliding scale, friend or foe. There's a silver lining. Expensify offers a sliding scale. The more you utilize their card, the less the unbundled fee bites. This can be a good deal for companies who heavily rely on corporate cards for expense tracking. However, for those who prefer other methods or have limitations on card usage, it can feel like a penalty. So, friend or foe? The answer depends on your business needs. Here's how to decide. Analyze your spending habits. Do you already use a corporate card, and is it likely to be the primary method for expense tracking? Evaluate your plan needs. Do the core features of the free or lower-tier plan suffice, or are there essential features locked behind unbundled fees? Consider alternatives. Explore other expense management platforms that might offer a better fit for your budget and workflow. The final bite. Unbundled fees can be a double-edged sword. They offer flexibility for some and hidden costs for others. By carefully analyzing your needs and doing your research, you can ensure you're getting the most out of your expense management system without unnecessary fees eating away at your budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.